The growing demand for a sun-kissed glow without UV damage has driven the popularity of at-home sunless tanning products. While office typists and late-night gamers spend hours indoors away from natural sunlight, they still crave a healthy, vibrant complexion. This guide evaluates top self-tanners based on formula type, skin benefits, application ease, and overall value.
Product number 1. Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun Body Mousse, Deep Bronze. If you want an immediate color payoff combined with the developing deep bronze, the Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun Body Mousse is a stellar option. Designed for those who want to skip the wait, this lightweight, airy mousse applies smoothly and features a tinted guide color that ensures precise, streak-free coverage. One of its standout features for busy users is how quickly it acts. The formula dries down completely in just 60 seconds, meaning you do not have to worry about sticky residue transferring onto your clothes or furniture. Enriched to work harmoniously with your natural skin tone, it avoids the dreaded orange tint, instead leaving behind an authentic-looking island tan. It also boasts a pleasant tropical, fruity fragrance that helps mask the traditional chemical scent common among lower-end sunless tanners. Whether you are preparing for a special event or just want an instant pick-me-up for pale winter skin, this 6-ounce bottle delivers deep, buildable results. It represents fantastic value for anyone seeking salon-quality depth right at home without breaking the bank.
Product number 2. Coco & Eve's Self-Tanner Foam Kit. The Coco & Eve's Self-Tanner Foam Kit is a luxury cult favorite that elevates the at-home tanning routine into a full skincare experience. Centered around its Bali bronzing foam in medium, this kit comes equipped with a plush mitt applicator for an effortless, streak-free finish. What sets this formula apart is its unique gray-gray base undertone, which neutralizes warm tones to guarantee a natural, olive-toned glow reminiscent of a month-long tropical vacation rather than a fake tan. Boosts. 1. Beyond color, Coco & Eve infuses the mousse with raw virgin coconut, botanicals, and amino acids, utilizing their proprietary Cellulite technology. This active blend deeply hydrates the skin while actively working to blur pigmentation and smooth the appearance of dimpled skin. The tropical mango and fig scent smells divine, entirely eliminating the harsh biscuit smell of traditional tanners. While it sits at a slightly higher price point, the inclusion of the application mitt and skin-firming properties make it an exceptional value for skincare-conscious beauty enthusiasts. Boosts.
Product number 3. Bondi Sands Self-Tanning Foam. Originating from the sun-drenched beaches of Australia, Bondi Sands Self-Tanning Foam brings professional salon quality directly to your bathroom cabinet. This lightweight foam formula is remarkably simple to apply, gliding across the skin smoothly using long sweeping motions with a tanning mitt. Infused with nourishing aloe vera and fresh coconut, it actively hydrates the skin during the development process, ensuring that your bronze looks smooth rather than dry or clinging to dry patches. The formula absorbs rapidly and dries in seconds, making it convenient for anyone with a busy schedule who needs to get dressed shortly after application. It develops into a rich, long-lasting, flawless glow that mimics a genuine week-long beach holiday. The iconic coconut scent is a major crowd pleaser that enhances the user experience. Offering generous volume and reliable, streak-free results bottle after bottle, Bondi Sands remains a staple recommendation for both tanning beginners and seasoned veterans alike. Product number 4. St. Tropez Self-Tan Express Bronzing Mousse. For those who hate waiting hours for a tan to develop or need a reliable glow on a tight schedule, the St. Tropez Self-Tan Express Bronzing Mousse is an industry-leading choice. This advanced 3-in-1 formula gives you total control over your final color depth through a customizable rinse-off time. If you shower after just 1 hour, you receive a light, subtle sun-kissed tint. Leave it for 2 hours for a classic medium golden bronze, or push it to 3 hours for a deep, dark bronze tailored to your skin tone. The lightweight mousse is tinted to guide your application, eliminating mist spots and reducing human error. It is quick-drying, non-sticky, and fades evenly over the course of a week without turning patchy. St. Tropez utilizes a mood-boosting signature fragrance that effectively masks development odors. Although it represents a premium investment, the flexibility of choosing your shade depth in a fraction of the usual time makes it worth every penny.
Product number 5. Jergens Natural Glow Plus Firming Self-Tanner Body Lotion. If you prefer a gradual approach that builds color while treating your skin's texture, the Jergens Natural Glow Plus Firming Self-Tanner Body Lotion is an ideal daily moisturizer.
Formulated specifically for fair to medium skin tones, this lotion combines a subtle sunless tanning active with a powerful blend of collagen and elastin. As you massage it into your skin day after day, it slowly builds a natural-looking radiant glow, while simultaneously working to improve skin elasticity and visibly reduce the appearance of cellulite. Unlike traditional instant mousses that require careful rinsing and mitt application, this product functions just like your regular body cream, making application foolproof for beginners. It deeply hydrates dry areas while imparting color at a pace that prevents any accidental streaks or harsh lines. The clean, fresh scent lacks heavy chemical undertones. For users who want a multitasking body treatment that simultaneously firms skin and builds a healthy, subtle radiance over time, this affordable lotion provides unmatched everyday value.
Product number 6. St. Tropez Self-Tan Classic Bronzing Mousse. As a legendary icon in the sunless tanning community, the St. Tropez Self-Tan Classic Bronzing Mousse sets the gold standard for reliable, natural-looking color. This foolproof formula adapts to your individual skin tone to create an authentic golden bronze that looks like you spent a week relaxing under the sun rather than applying product from a bottle. The lightweight, velvety mousse texture glides effortlessly across the skin and contains a helpful guide color to ensure you never miss an area. Formulated with 100% clean, vegan-friendly tanning actives, it delivers a streak-free finish that fades evenly over several days without unwanted blotchiness. While it requires a standard development window of around 4 to 8 hours before showering, the payoff is a rich, dependable color that avoids orange undertones entirely. The sleek packaging and trusted performance solidify its status as a holy grail product. It is an exceptional, reliable choice for anyone looking for classic, high-end tanning results. Formulated with 100% clean, vegan-friendly tanning actives, it delivers a streak-free finish that fades evenly over several days without unwanted blotchiness. While it requires a standard development window of around 4 to 8 hours before showering, the payoff is a rich, dependable color that avoids orange undertones entirely. The sleek packaging and trusted performance solidify its status as a holy grail product. It is an exceptional, reliable choice for anyone looking for classic, high-end tanning results.